Today we're going to focus on how to fill the Transpring A4 cartridge. This is the Transpring A4 cartridge right here. It features a ceramic heating chamber, a plastic construction exterior, and comes stock with a black plastic mouthpiece. To begin disassembling this cartridge for filling, first pull off the black mouthpiece. Simply snaps off. You will then see a metal plug that you must unscrew, like so. Then you're left with the cartridge itself. And the cartridge has a center fill hole. So to begin filling this cartridge, what you will do is take a syringe that's pre-filled with your material. Now, if you order anything from Transpring USA, it will always come with a blunt tip filling syringe. This particular syringe has a 15 gauge blunt tip needle, meaning that it won't pierce your skin and is safe to use. I suggest using a 15 gauge needle or higher. The higher the gauge size, the thinner the needle. You don't want the needle to be too thick, because when you insert it into your fill hole here in the cartridge to begin filling, you want the needle to be slim enough to fit inside, as well as to let air escape from the cartridge as you're filling it with oil. So to begin filling, simply insert your syringe into the fill hole and place it all the way to the very bottom of the cartridge and begin to inject your material inside to the desired fill volume. Once you've achieved the proper volume that you want, simply withdraw the needle, place it down, and this is very important, within 30 seconds of that fill, place your metal plug on the top and screw it down into place to complete the capping process. This is very important because you want the oil inside to have a small vacuum, and this can only be achieved by placing the cap on within 30 seconds of filling. Once you've placed the metal cap on, you can then snap on the black plastic mouthpiece by simply pushing it into place until it clicks. And then if you are performing a hot fill, which means that the material inside of the syringe you've injected has been heated above ambient air temperature, then you're going to want to perform one more very important step, and that is to take the filled cartridge and flip it upside down immediately and store it upside down for the next 2 to 3 hours. What this does is it drives the small air bubble that you've trapped inside here to what would have been the bottom of the cartridge, which then connects directly to the outside atmosphere, allowing that air bubble to expand and contract without pushing oil back and forth to the heating chamber. This is very important if you're performing a hot fill. If you're performing a cold fill or an ambient fill, meaning that your material in the syringe is the exact same air temperature as the air around it, then this step is unnecessary. However, if you are performing a hot fill, be sure to fill, cap within 30 seconds, and then flip upside down for 2 to 3 hours or until the oil inside cools. And that's it.